Hello non-native English learners, how are you? Today this is my special video for you. I am talking with you because non-native English language speakers or non-native English language learners are present in all over the world, and you know that different countries, your country is different, my country is different, other countries are different, but we all are non-native English learners, non-native English speakers. So our culture is different, our religion is different, our each and everything is different. The same thing is only that we are English learners. We are improving our English language because we know the importance of English language. We know that English is the international language. So this is in our minds that when we will speak English language, there might be the best chances for us to get a job within the country or outside the country. So this is the reason that we are learning English language. Our accents are different. Your accent might be different from my accent. The other country, non-native country accent will be different from your country. In the same way, all countries have different accents. But if we have the ability to understand the accents of all non-native English speaking countries, then I think that credit should go to us, that we are a little able to understand the non-native English accent. And when we try to understand the accent of native countries, then this will be the extra credit goes to us. So I think that first thing is that we should try to understand the accent of non-native English speaking countries. After that, we should try to learn or improve the accent of native English language countries. But my important suggestion is that you should be expert in your own national accent, because you will face the problems there. You will discuss with the people there in your country. And if you are speaking the other nationalities accent, your country people will face problems while understanding you. You should have the ability to understand all accents. But I think that you should be masters in your own country accent. Please write down in comment box that from which country you are watching this video and whether you are understanding my accent or not, and what problems you are facing while understanding my accent. You can give your valuable suggestions below in comment box so that we together improve ourselves in English language. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me. And if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.